In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead page in Clickfunnels. We'll start right from your Clickfunnels dashboard so you can follow along step by step. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu. Find the option labeled Funnels and click on that. This is where all of your funnels live and where you'll be able to create new ones and manage existing projects. When the Funnels area opens, look for a button that says Create Funnel. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for building anything in Clickfunnels, from simple lead pages to more complex sales funnels. In this case, we're specifically interested in capturing leads, so we'll choose a funnel type designed for that. On the next screen, you'll see different funnel options and templates. Look for an option called Lead Squeeze Funnel, or a similar lead magnet style template. These are pre-built with the goal of collecting email addresses or other contact details, so they already include the essential elements you need, like an opt-in form and a simple layout that focuses on one clear call to action. Before you commit to any template, take a moment to preview it. Click on Preview Template to see how it looks and behaves from a visitor's perspective. This is helpful because you can quickly check the overall design, where the form is placed, how the headline appears, and whether the structure matches your brand and offer. If something feels off, simply go back and look at another template. Once you've found a design that feels right for your lead magnet, click Select Funnel underneath that template. Clickfunnels will then install that funnel into your workspace. This may take a few moments, and when it's done, you'll see the new funnel added to your list, ready for editing. Now it's time to make it your own. Click on Customize Now to open up the Funnel Editor and Page Editor. This is where you'll edit the text, change the images, adjust colors, and connect your forms to your email list. Take your time here. Update the headline to clearly state your offer, make sure the call to action is compelling and specific, and double-check that the form fields you're asking for are really necessary. Fewer fields usually mean more sign-ups. After customizing, you'll be ready to save your changes and start using your new lead page to capture leads in Clickfunnels.